Setting 2.
Alright, what's up everybody? That was ACDelco's new half-inch compact impact wrench. That thing puts out 300 pounds of torque. I mean, that's the same torque that you're going to get on like a big DeWalt or something like that. So, compact. Troy, when you designed this, what did you have in mind for the mechanic?
We wanted an impact wrench that was compact, lightweight, easy to get around anywhere on a vehicle, rather than our Super Torque impact is 7 pounds. You can get on frame bolts, you can get on lug nuts, but this is constraining as far as where I can get on a vehicle. Yes, it does 500 foot-pounds tightening, but I can't get to a lot of areas. That one can get everywhere at 300 foot-pounds.
And it's got their digital plug system, which we showed you guys earlier in some videos. We're hopefully going to get our hands on one of these soon for testing, so go ahead and check out ACDelco's link. We'll put it at the bottom, and don't forget to check out our Twitter and Facebook.